Good day. Today the next lecture, Modern Methods of Material Design and Manufacturing Process. Many good design displays their designers' understanding of materials and manufacturing process and ergonomics. So such works often represent the paradigm shifts in awareness of material and use in manufacturing. In this case, we can say the Marcel Breuer's use of tubular steel, Charles and Ray Eames' use of laminated veneers, and maybe expanding UP chair, and also Herman Miller's chair in some kind of different type of finisher. As shown in the previous lecture, true innovations is nothing new, but Jean Prouvost and George Nelson is also, you can see on the screen, new type of finisher they make. For example, the side armchair, the contemporary version of the armchair you can see. And also in this case we can say that this highly original and dynamic design was developed and using the most up-to-date metal forming and welding process of that time, which helped to create the side armchair's radical and new visual language. The steel frame you can see are very interesting. Next ones is DSR and DSW chair. The originally with a fiberglass shell and DSR chair is exhibited at the 1950s in the exhibition at the MoMA. The DSW version, wood-based, was launched in 1951 with the turned beech legs that braced using the powder-coated steel rod stays. So this sub-assembly is connected to the shell using the steel brackets, and that are held within the shots on the top of each wooden leg. The aluminium group, the next frame image, you can see the assembled from only 6 major components. The aluminium group offers many variations of that material, base options and adjustments, and ranging from the original routing versions to gas assignment height and so on. The last one, 606 Universal Shelving System, designed in the 1960s by the Weitzel and Zapp, while Rams was headed of design at the Brown. The 606 Universal Shelving System is a highly flexible modular system enabling setups and ranging from a small alcove desk to the library shelving. The system cantilevers from either a single extruded channel. The shelves are stamped and folded mild steel that is powder coated the cabinets and constructed from laminate surface of beech veneered MDF. The choice of extrusion system depends on the expected load and the quality of the available wall fixing, or simply the aesthetics presence of the customer. It depends on the consumer. Both systems can be used together, all the shelves and cabinets and desks, and connect to up and right extrusions, and it's inserted the aluminium pins through the fixing holes and through kind of perpendicular to the extrusion. The next one is the propylene chair. It was designed by the Robin Day in 1963. Manufactured from propylene by Heal, this is revolutionary chair. It could not be simple in terms of technical design. One injection molded seat shell with 4 molded fixing bosses, to which variety of legs frames. The next one is a really interesting one, the Action Office System, designed by the Robert Probst and Jack Kelly in 1968. From the late 1950s, the balance of the workplace activity in Northern Europe is changed. It also became office work was a dominant form employment. And with the minor subsequent development, this much copied series is still appropriate for today in office versions and environments and technologies, and continues to be major part of Herman Miller's product line. And base of the cabinets are either floor based or for lighter and so on. Trip trap chair you can see on the left. This was designed by the Peter Opsvik in 1972. The simplicity and flexibility of the trip trap chair was manufactured by the stock. Creates a supremely functional seat that has never been equaled. The next one, the Noma's desk, 1968, Norman Foster, developed from a concept by and for the architecture firm Norman Foster and Partners, owned offices in the early 1980s. It was the modular desks and conference tables, and it makes really interesting frames. The last one, the fantastic plastic elastic chair, EPF. Tom Vach chair. The original Tom Vach chair was manufactured and financed by the Domus magazine, which is paid from the Ron Arets produce it. Aero bench, it was also really interesting ones, and designed by the group of designers in 2003. The Aero bench visual and simplicity and ambitious use of large-scale and aluminum extrusions are made one of the best known benches in this period. Imprint chair, you can see on the screen, it was two designers making in 2005. It was manufactured by Lamhats, is a good example of material innovations. Actually, it was invented and now we use it everywhere, and most of the stuffs are make it really interesting ones. So the next one is the current series. It was designers by the Robert Rutte and Charles Rosie. In 2006, it was a complete office system. Knoll Incorporated Currents collection is comprised of desk, work tables, and app stands, storage, and screens. For any designer considering the needs of an office and furniture series, it was really nice. Current provides an excellent example of the ergonomic, functional, and technical flexibility required in such comprehensive system to enable its users to create a freestanding workstations or working zones, and also such as approach should always be considered by designers seeking to maximize the flexibility of their products while also keeping a rein on costs. Desk and work and tables are available in a wide range of colors. The next one is the Houdini chair. It was Stefan Diess in 2009, produced by E15. Houdini chair immediately achieved iconic status due to its innovative construction and unique look. It's high manufactured as the other ones. The different war chair, Niels Different, 2010. It contrasts to complexity of most of preceding decades, high-end and task seating. It is minimizing the material use and the number of components and control. The chair is one of the winners, Red Dot Best of the Best award in 2010. It was developed since its launch and only has 2 passive adjustments. And the last one, hemp chair, Werner Esslinger in 2011. Claim it as the world's first monoblock chair made from the natural fibers. The hemp chair is made from the 70% of hemp fibers in combination with 30% of acrylic. So in this case, we can say that all that materials and manufacturing using in the furniture design are really important in learning and understanding while you're using your project, and we'll have to understand all that tips and hips to find out what kind of things you need to design in your project, furniture design. So see you next time. Thank you. Bye.